Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of Steam account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Steam account online on your computer, you must first be logged into your Steam account over here. Now in order to log out from your Steam account, either you're on a browser or you're logged into your Steam account over here. The process to log out from over here is same. Either you can see on the browser or the Steam app itself, there is a drop down arrow over here on just at the top right corner section of your screen. So let's minimize this, and over here on your browser also there is a drop down arrow available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you can see guys, there is the sign out of account option available for us over here. Click on the sign out of account, and then you'll be logged out of your Steam account online on your computer. Similarly on this also you can do the same. Here is the sign out of account. Click on it and you'll be logged out of your Steam account like this. And there guys, this is how to log out of your Steam account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.